Today we are going to learn some new letters. This unit includes 3 vowels, their secondary forms and 4 consonant letters. These letters are A, I, Sa, Da, Dha, Jha. The first letter is A. In the production of the sound, the front of the tongue slightly raised towards the hard palate, but not as high as in the case of third letter, E. The lower jaw slightly comes down to make the mouth slightly open. The lips are spread and the vocal cords vibrate. The soft palate is raised. In the initial position like E, this sound also has a shadow of Ya. This letter occurs in all 3 positions. To trace A, write the letter Pa first. From stroke number 5 of Pa, bring your pen down as shown. Then proceed with a half circle round stroke number 5. Complete the shape. Now you got the letter A. Second letter is A. It is the longer counterpart of short A. This sound is produced like A with all its articulatory characteristics. The only notable difference is that it has longer duration. Hand movement also similar to A, but instead of making a complete half circle, add a notation towards inside as shown. Then bring down just like stroke number 6. Next letter is I. This letter is a diphthong. While producing this sound, the air coming from the lungs through closed glottis passes out from the mouth without any obstruction. The lips are unrounded and the position of the tongue is high. To trace this letter, just put this symbol before the letter A. Let us see the vowel symbol of all 3 letters A and I. It is the secondary symbol of A. In the arrangement of the vowel consonant combination, the position of the symbol left. Before the consonant letter, we have to place this symbol. Trace the vowel symbol based on the stroke numbers. Example, T plus A, te. Next, vowel symbol of long A. It is the symbol of A. Here also place the symbol before the consonant. Notice here its stroke numbers. It's begin from the top with a small round and end with another small circle as shown here. Example, T plus A, te. Next vowel symbol is I. This is the symbol of I. For using this symbol along with any consonant, both the symbols placed before the consonant letter. Example, T plus I, thigh. Once, let us go through all vowel letters we learned till. A, I, U, U, E, I, O, Au, Aha. Now follow the vowel consonant combination. T plus A, ta. Example word tara. Ta plus a, ta, tara. Ta plus e, ti, tira. Ta plus e, ti, tiram. Ta plus u, tu, tura. Ta plus tu, തൂവാനം. ത പ്ലസ് എ, തേ, തെളിവ്. ത പ്ലസ് എ, തേ, തേര്. ത പ്ലസ് ഐ, തൈ. The word itself is thigh. T plus o, to, tovara. T plus o, to, toran. T plus au, tau. T plus tam. Example word patam. T plus aha, taha. Some of the words are here. Eri, eriva, ഐരാവതം, പൈതൽ, തേൻ, അംബുജം, ജൈവികം, തൈര്, എതിര്, വേദന, വൈരം, ദൈവം, ഹേതു, തെളി, ജെറി, തെളിവ്, വെളിവ്, പേന, ദേവദാരു and തൈ. Now it is possible to make some small sentences also. Try to read this. എരിവ് ഏറി. ആ പേന തരൂ. അത് ഒരു തൈ. Now let us go to the next group of letters. This is sa. When producing the sound, the blade of the tongue approaches the alveolar ridge, allowing the air to squeeze out, producing a hissing noise. Pronunciation of this script is sa. Example words sarasa, sari, etc. It is easy to trace this letter. If we add an incessant curved notation with the letter na, it will become sa. Next letter is da. In the production of this sound, the air coming from the lungs is stopped by tongue. The tip of the tongue curled back and made contact with the roof of mouth. When contact is released, the air escapes from the mouth with a slight explosion. Next letter is dha. This letter is pronounced just like da, but the release is followed by an extra puff of air. Both letters are common in Sanskrit borrowed words. Follow the stroke numbers to write the shape. The last letter, it is ja. This letter is the aspirated sound of ja. The release is followed by an extra puff of air. Begin to write from left down based on its stroke numbers. That's all in this class. Thank you.